Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a story time about how my ex-friend boxed me in the face.
Distance between each other.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So, anyways, I have something for say first. Only of the bad mind people if you not know wanna see them with, cause only don't know where they might do forget it, and one must not be envious. People may take my parents as an example, because when they talk to me about where they might come from and what they need to have when they just start out, they never have nothing, and they work for everything what they want, and now we have everything we want and everything we need. We not in need of nothing and we don't want nothing. So I'm just saying this to say that you should not be envious of what persons have, because you don't know what they do to get it. So I used to go to college. I did one semester. That was last year. And I started this semester, but I dropped out in, I think it was the first week of February. Because it just never make any sense to me. It don't make no sense. Me I go to school every day. And most days me go to school, me not have nothing to do. And some of the teachers them incompetent, very incompetent, because they don't know them content, they don't know what them a teach say. It don't make no sense you go to school and it just not make no sense to you. So while going to school, I there was this girl in the class. She had a baby in about 2018. Yes, she had a baby in 2018. I'm a lover of babies. I'm very passionate when it comes to babies. So automatically me get feel like the girl whenever did a friend when we did a go to school before, but we did do the same course. So seeing that she have the baby, me automatically like her. So we end up turn friends, which in me not normally keep friends. Me not normally keep friends, so me not know what it flip in my head. So last semester run off good, everything alright. College say everybody in the class is their friends. Then when the semester almost finish, like the class start break apart, people start vex with each other for I don't know what. So when school opened back in February, I was going to Western Hospitality Institute. I don't recommend the Mandeville campus to anybody. I recommend any of the other ones, but don't go to Mandeville because the teachers are very incompetent. So when I go back to school in February, yes, February. School was supposed to start in January, but it started in February. We when we went to school, we weren't doing anything in the first week more than planning a restaurant, which I said we had to run, and we had to find the capital, and we were supposed to be responsible for it as the cause students. If I don't know, cause is an occupational associate degree that it's kind of new. It's more hands-on. So I was doing that. I got a scholarship to do that. And but we still had to pay a fee. So I'm saying that if they want us to get experience, they're supposed to send us out to get experience. We don't know anything about starting a restaurant. We're not we weren't equipped to do that. So in the first week, I did not go every day. I normally go to school every day. So I eventually missed some days in the first week and some days in the second week. When I finally went back to school, that was about the Wednesday or the Tuesday of the other week. I was asking my friends to tell me what was done at school the following days that I miss. So they were like, if you did come at school, you would have know this, and if you did come at school, you would have know that, and you don't like when nobody talk to you. And I'm a very nice person. I sit down and listen to when people talk to me. So, anyways, they passed this remark about you don't want anything good and things like stuff like that. But I let it slip because I was not taking it as anything. So, um, when they went to buy lunch, I did not buy anything because I was leaving home and I wasn't hungry. So, when we went over to the school, I love chocolate, so I was eating chocolate and drinking water. So, this particular girl, I'll call her, what should I call her? Baby mother. So, she asked me if I want some more lunch, so I tell her no. As I said, I was not hungry. So, they were talking and they were discussing things that happened last week. So I was asking them about it because I'm a part of the class and I need to know what was going on. So they were like, if you did come to school, you would have know this and things like that. So I just touched the girl in her face. You know, you have a friend, you just touch them and they not take that as nothing. The girl gave me a back. You see people, a good thing me not have swelling skin because my face would have wheel up. And it's a good thing that I'm very mature now because we were on a balcony. And if it was like before, me I tell you no say me would have pushed her over the balcony without no regrets. Me would have care about her pick me. Me would have just push her over the balcony and just leave the school. Me would have care. But me just make it go on because me I say I mean touch her first. So me not bother push nothing no further because me never backside, me just touch her in her face. So mother like fi no tell me if I was wrong and how I should have reacted. And when I came home and told my mother, you can call it that my mother is my best friend because I don't really keep friends. So she was saying that she could have seen that she was envious from a long time. And guys, it's not just because it's my mother she's saying that. My mother is a very observant person. She's more observant than me. So the week before the incident happened, we went to buy stuff for my father because for my father's birthday we were having a surprise birthday party, and they were they were there with us. Two of them, the girl that boxed me and another one. So when we were in the store and we were buying some clothes, yeah, they need to buy clothes. Excuse me. So we did a buy some things, and all of a sudden, they just take up themselves. Say my boyfriend must go up in the car so they can take up their things and go home. And they never say anything to me. No, bear in mind that at the 3 away I walk together, and it end up that my boyfriend pick me up with my auntie and my mother in the car. So you have your friend, you're not gonna just leave them stranded like that, even though they're there with my family. You go tell them say you leave. A principle that. So when me look into it and see remarks where them pass that day and days leading up to the incident, me I say they never mean me no good. Me no know why me did have them as company and me no normally keep company. So guys, as far as I can see, it's best, well, you know your friends when they are, your real friends when they are around their friends. So that incident happened in front of two other girls. It wasn't just the two of us. So at that moment, I know that she was not my friend. And you know, so the girl have the audacity to box me, and she owe me money, and I know me don't get the money, but me just a make it slip. She can use the money then buy pampers for her baby. Cause she bright. She very bright. But if you box somebody and you owe them. So guys, this is the end of my video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.